So you've just been offered a promotion, which is fantastic. High five. That's great. But here's the thing, in this video, we're going over 7 reasons that getting a promotion is actually going to suck. So you need to consider them. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help new managers become more confident leaders, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Before we get into the video, make sure you've downloaded my free PDF of 14 things that all new managers must know. And here's the other thing. That also gets you on the list for when I release the No Nonsense Leadership Bootcamp, which is 30 straight days with 30 straight videos helping you understand and absorb the fundamentals of leadership. Because as I share things with you, I have a way of delivering it. I know, but this may not be how you work. Taking the fundamentals means that you have a base understanding, and the fundamentals can work with my style of leadership as well as your style of leadership because they're fundamentals. So reason number 1 that getting a promotion is going to suck for you is that the timing is off. You may be finishing up a degree. You may be just about to have a baby. You might be getting married. You may be thinking you need to move. There's so much in life that can be going on at the same time. And if you are offered a promotion and the timing isn't right for you, I want you to understand that it is okay to say, thank you, but no thank you. I'm not in the position personally at this moment. You need to make sure that you understand that the promotion is a great thing for the company and it needs to be a great thing for you. So if the timing is off, the timing is off. Reason number 2 why getting a promotion might suck. It could be taking you off of your planned career path. You may be thinking you're doing this job, but you know what? You really want a career in starting a YouTube channel. But if you were to get promoted to a different job, well, maybe that effort that you would be putting into YouTube is now going into your new career, which is great, but it wasn't part of your plan. It took you off of your trajectory, your life's mission, your idea of what a fulfilling life might be. So while the promotion in and of itself might be perfect, it might not be perfect for you and the future you're planning for. Reason number 3 why getting a promotion could suck is that you're really happy with where you are. Let me just share a little story. Working at the airport, I had a fantastic schedule. It absolutely worked for every part of my life. I started at 4 in the morning. I was home by 3 in the afternoon, which means I was able to pick the kids up from school. I worked for 5 days and I was off for 5 days. Imagine? Can you imagine? So this was great. But when a promotion was presented to me, the days off stayed the same, but the shifts changed. It was now a 12-hour day. It would now rotate between days and overnights. And this was not for me. I wanted it. I enjoyed the opportunity. But when the chance for me to say, yes, I accept this management position, this promotion permanently, or, you know what, it's been nice, but I'd like to go back to my regular job, I had to choose going back to my regular job because I was content. I'm one who likes to get more. I like to strive. I like to push myself. But you know what? I also like to have balance in my life. I like my time to be with my family, to do my things. So sometimes we can be content. And I feel that in today's world, if you're content with a job, then there's something wrong with you. But that's not the case. Sometimes you have the perfect balance of work and life. And a promotion may be something that can throw that balance off. Reason number 4 that a promotion would suck, and this one would really make it suck, is that it's just a title. There's no extra money with it. There's all this extra responsibility, which is great. There's a new title, which is great, but the company's being cheap and they're not paying you extra for the extra stuff you're going to have to do. I'm not saying that money is everything, but what I am saying is that it sure as hell does help when you try to go to get groceries. It sure as hell does help when you're paying your rent or your mortgage or putting gas in the damn car these days. So money needs to be part of the promotion. If not, that promotion really could suck. Reason number 5 why this promotion may suck is that it's going to affect your relationship with your peers. Not all of them, but many of the people that you were friendly with, many of the people that you would gossip with or chit-chat with at the water cooler or grab coffee with, a lot of those people are going to change because they think that you've changed. If you're not ready to have relationships change with the people you work with, then the promotion may not be for you. I'm not telling you that everybody's going to just disown you and they don't know you and they hate you. That's not the thing. But what it can do is for a large group of the people you work with, it will or can change the relationship. Those people that are your good friends, those people that are real friends in the sense that your families get together on the weekends for barbecue. You confide in them. Those friends will remain your friends. But those that are more peers or that you would consider work friends, those may change. The next reason why getting a promotion might suck is that you have to step up and you're going to have to learn. The job that got you to the promotion is fantastic. You must have done a great job. But what you did there will not help you succeed in your new role. So if you're not willing to learn, if you're not willing to stretch yourself, then getting a promotion may not be what you need. Because like I said, we have to educate ourselves. In general, we should always try to be learning. But if you're not interested in learning a new role, then a promotion, it just might not be in the cards for you. And the next reason that you may not want to get this promotion because it sucks is there's going to be a lot of pressure. Yes, the company, your hiring manager, they'll have some expectations and they'll put some pressure on you. But your peers are going to put some pressure on you. Your family and your home life may put pressure on you. And most importantly, and most debilitatingly, it'll be yourself. If you've got the promotion, more than likely, you don't want to fail. More than likely, you want to do a great job. So you are going to put a lot of pressure on yourself. So you have to ask yourself, are you ready for this new pressure? A lot of people, and I'm sure you can handle it, but there's a lot of people that they can't handle pressure. Maybe just the way the world's been lately, we have enough pressure as it is. So if that's the case, it's okay for you to say, no, this promotion is going to suck. This promotion is not going to work for me. Now, while we're talking about getting promotions, maybe you're saying, Mike, I don't want to get promoted. I don't even want to be in the damn job that I have. Before you make any serious decisions, I want you to watch this video because it's 5 things that you need to quit before you quit. So get your coffee and I'll see you there. Ciao.